Hi, I'm Brandon with Diamond Kote Building Products. Today I'm going to show you how fast and easy Diamond Kote's RigidMount installs versus building a mount on site using Diamond Kote trim. Diamond Kote offers a complete siding system designed to install faster, creating a seamless finished appearance. Using Diamond Kote's RigidMount blocks eliminates the need for on-site fabrication, reducing potential errors and saving you time on the job. Building mount blocks on site requires additional steps to complete install, adding time to your project and in turn costing you money. Let's see how the two compare. Diamond Kote's rigid mounts are available in 8 different configurations for any kind of extrusion from the home, like lights, hose bibs, and vents. Rigid mounts come pre-sized with a built-in nailing flange and drip cap, allowing you to cut out extra steps like measuring, cutting the extrusion hole, applying the drip cap, and extensive touch-up. The Diamond Kote Universal Rigid Mount installs in a few simple steps, in about a quarter of the time compared to building your own mounting blocks. Diamond Kote's rigid mounts are designed to blend seamlessly with Diamond Kote lap siding due to their matching horizontal wood grains, texture, and color. The integrated nailing flange keeps nails off the face of the mount to give you a flawless finish. Our mounts allow you to complete installation faster without compromising the craftsmanship and appearance of the project. Whether you have installed Diamond Kote for years or are new to the product, rigid mount blocks are guaranteed to increase efficiency on your job site. They are one of many products from Diamond Kote's complete siding system to reduce time on the job site without sacrificing quality. To learn more about our complete siding system, go to diamondkotesiding.com to schedule a meeting with your local Diamond Kote representative. Thanks for watching.